Today is what, June 17th?
18th, I think.
June 18th. Saturday, June 18th, and Rob and I are here at the Dayton International Airport for the Dayton Air Show. There is a lot going on here. They have a lot of planes on static display. They've got Coast Guard. They've got Coast Guard choppers over here. They've got Navy over here.
Wright brothers up there.
Oh yeah, they have a replica of the Wright brothers airplane.
And a C-17 up here, I believe.
Yes.
And right in front of it, it's a small plane. That's a DC-3.
I am very, very, very excited to be here. I have not been to an air show with you since we started dating. What do you think?
This is awesome. I haven't been here since I was like 12.
Oh wow.
Since like 20 years ago.
I think the last time I was here, we actually flew out of here just for a flight. But then it's like you have these massive planes over here, and then you have these ones over here that are so tiny. They're about this. They're like the size of this car over here.
Yeah, we've flown into this airport several times over the 3 years. It's been going on. Now we're actually at the air show here on the 3rd weekend of June. It's my weekend off conveniently. Worked out perfectly.
Yes.
A lot of planes here on static display. There's the control tower over there as well.
There is a lot going on here. It's going to be jam-packed here, and it's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for these choppers to come in and land. I love the sound of these helicopters. Man alive.
It's going to be like 82 today.
It's supposed to be like 82, 85, so it's going to get hot. Oh, here they come. There's a really, really tiny plane out there on the runway, too. Oh, I love that sound.
Four helicopters.
I could listen to that all day.
Okay. Yeah.
Look at them banking. Oh my gosh. Where are they at? There's one of them. God, that sound just rips the sky apart. I love it. 1, 2, 3, and there's a 4th one behind it. It looks like a minimum interval takeoff. That's what I'm thinking. Yes.
Plane's right up.
Yes, it is currently, it's about 11 o'clock right now. The air show starts in an hour, and this place is a freaking madhouse. There's no shade here, but I do have plenty of sunscreen and water.
Oh yeah.
Anything else to say to Mr. Camera?
Mr. Camera.
Right, Mr. Camera?
Right, Mr. Camera.